Google Nest causes furnace to need reset. After installing a Google Nest, my furnace heats until it reaches the correct temperature, but if it sits, the controller light turns off and I need to turn the breaker off and then back on in order for the furnace to kick in. The controller light turns off, but does not flash as far as I have seen. I have switched back to the original thermostat, some basic Honeywell one, and it works fine. There is a C wire connected, though I had to add that. And I'm not sure if it's totally legit. Currently the C wire is connected at the T terminal. My furnace is a Lennox G14 series, I'm not sure which model exactly. I am fine using the old thermostat, but I am bummed because I was looking forward to automating this stuff. Thanks for any help. Question from user Corellian 115 at Stack Exchange. Answer. The solution that seems to be working so far is adding a 1-ohm 5W resistor between W and T, that being the call for heat voltage. After contacting Johnson Controls, I was redirected to an engineer at Basso, which now owns this particular model of Johnson Control, told me that older controllers sometimes expect more of a load when heat is called for, and newer controllers have these built in. Answer from user Corellian 115 at Stack Exchange.